Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve SOF Class 2 IEO Set A of 2017. So let's begin. The first section is word structure and knowledge. So let's read the instructions from question 1 to 4. Choose the meaningful word that matches the picture. Like here it is a cake, which is matchable with the word cake here. Now let's see what the next question is. Like question number 1 is here and it is shown in the figure. Like these guys are customers. Tell me kids. Option A, COSTUMERS. Now let's see the next question, which is question number 2. Pattern. Question number 3. Who is it? The person shown in this figure is a investigator. So what is he doing? He is investigating. So investigate is the correct option here. Option A. Let's see question number 4. What these blocks are called? So they are called blocks. Like, and the correct spelling for blocks is BLOCKS. Let's see the next question. Instruction like from 5 to 7. We have to choose the correct answer. Which animal doesn't have legs? So fish. In the same way, which animal lay eggs? So here we have two animals, which is one is goat and other one is rat. Both of them don't lay eggs. So the only animal which lay eggs is crocodile. And where it lives? So it lives in water. Which of these doesn't float? So which is the element which doesn't float? It is metal. Neither boat nor wood. Now let's see question number 7. Which of these helps people to wake up? So alarm helps people to wake up. Now let's see the next section. Here it is, the correct answer is alarm. For question 8 to 17, choose the correct option. Sarah is riding dash new bike. So riding her new bike. Here we use a pronoun for Sarah, which is her. Okay. Now let's see question number 8. Give me dash excuse for being late. So here boss is arguing with the employee or asking the question that why are you late. So give me an excuse, okay, for being late. Dash was a good sandwich. So here we have a sandwich and which is in singular form. Like there are no multiple sandwich. So that was a good sandwich. Come look at dash new boots. So come look at my new boots. So it is question number 11. The tortoise walked continuously dash he won the race. So you must have heard about the rabbit and tortoise story. So because of the continuous walking, tortoise win the race. So the correct option is because. Option B. Sorry friends, question number B. Last test of this term is going to be in Friday. So here we have a calendar which is showing the dates, and as per the question is concerned, the last test is going to be on Friday. So the test which is going to be on Friday, since it's the last one, the article used is the. If you want to know more about articles and other subject verb agreement uses, then you must pursue in our paid courses which are going on right now. For this you have to mention your name in the comment section so that we can contact you. Question number 13. My brother and I dash a match tomorrow. So what is the correct option here, friends? Option C, because I and my brother, they are two people, and for a plural subject we use have. Dash dance moves are funny. So here is a kid and the pronoun for this kid is his. C dash won the first prize so many attempts. So what is the option here? She won the first prize, so she finally won the first prize after so many attempts. Let's see question number 16. Christmas. The Christmas season is dash us once again. So what is the correct option here? So the correct option here is upon. Okay, let's see question number 17. May I dash a glass of water? So may I have a glass of water? Okay, let's see the reading section. Here we have Harry and Sarah. There are two kids in the figure. Now we have to answer some questions upon the basis of it from 18 to 21. Let's see. The children are dash sandwiches. So the children are eating sandwiches, because so far as the auxiliary verb is concerned, when we use it, we always use V4 or V3. So eating will go with it. Now let's see question number 19. There is a flask on the mat. So there is a flask on the mat. Here it is. Question number 20. Hari and Sarah dash happy. So Hari and Sarah are happy. 21. The picnic basket next to Hari is dash. So it's open. Now the passage section come. Let's read the passage to answer the following question. A tree stands in a forest under a cloudy sky. Suddenly it appears as if a twig is crawling down the trunk. It isn't actually a twig, it is a stick insect. The stick-like appearance helps it to protect itself from enemies, so it doesn't end up in a problem. Stick insect, also known as walking sticks, are found all over the world. They live in forests where the weather is mild, warm, or humid. They are related to grasshoppers or cricket, etc. The creepy crawlies are usually brown, green, or black. They are also the world's longest insects. The bug spends much of its time in trees, munching on leaves. When in danger of being eaten by birds, the insect tries to remain completely still to blend with the branches. Still, if caught by the leg, the insect detaches it and runs away, the leg will later grow back. So this is the passage. So basically this walking stick insect or stick insect is a family member or related to the family of crickets or grasshoppers. Now we will answer the question on the basis of this passage. The stick insect doesn't end up in a problem by using its stick-like appearance to fool its enemies. Stick insects are usually black and brown in color. So green, black and brown in color. If a bird grabs the insect by legs, it detaches the legs and run away. The last question of this segment, which of the following sentence is true? The stick insect is likes warm weather. The stick insect are related to crickets. The stick insects never munches on the leaves. So as we have studied and read the passage before, the stick insects are related to cricket, so it's a wrong one. They also munches on the leaves, so it is also a wrong one. So which is the correct one? The correct option is option A. Let's see the spoken written expression. From question 26 to 30, choose the best option to complete each conversation. Ravi, dash the ball to me. Arav, Arav, here you go. So here Ravi is asking for the ball, so throw the ball to me. Now let's see. Mona, it's getting dark in here. Aman, I will dash on the lights. So what is it? Turn on. Okay, or switch on. 27. Teacher, I gave dash points to good students. Students, wow, extra points. Thank you, sir. So I gave bonus points. Bonus is a word which is used for extra points. Annie, oh, I just had an idea, but I can't remember now. Dhriti, don't tell me you dash it already. So Dhriti is telling that you forgot it already. Okay. 29th. Mother, dash were you in the afternoon? So mother is asking, where were you in the afternoon? Daksh, look at the nice flower she gave me. Akruti, oh, that is so dash of her. So that is so sweet of her. Let's see the achievers section now. Dinesh sat dash before the test started. So for the 31st question, the correct option is calmly. Like we must capitalize the energy before the beginning of the exam. Ria is dash a vacation. So Ria is on a vacation. She is in London now. So option B is correct here. On for this and in for this blank. What can you spread on bread? So the correct option here is peanut butter, because we can't express cookies and saucepan. 34th question, choose the correctly spelled word. So the correctly spelled word is, tell me, is it the correct or is this or the last one? Which one is the correct option? The correct option is this, laboratory. 35th question. Choose the correct option to complete the conversation. Janvi, can you open this for me? Maya, sure, I know the best dash of it. So the best technique to open it. Okay. So in this way we solved the question paper of IEO 2017 set A completely. If you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share the videos too. Thank you.